Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. If you've got one of these Pioneer KEH-P4400 cassette tape decks and you can't figure out how to adjust that clock, I'm going to show you how. It's actually quite simple. Just make sure you're on the source like this, and if it doesn't show up, hit the clock button. When that shows up, hold the clock button down, and you're going to use preset number 1 for hours and preset number 2 for minutes. So let's do that. Let's adjust it to 3:15. 3:15. And you simply let it go. And there you go. The other way too is that if you hold it, when you hold it down and you're adjusting and you want to reset to 0 when you passed it, you just simply hit the preset number 3 and it'll go back to zeros. You can speed up the adjustment by holding the buttons down like this. And if you ever pass the 30 mark and you hit this reset button, it'll actually go to the next hour. For instance, bam, so it goes to the next hour. Okay, so that is really simply how to change the clock on a KEH-P4400 Pioneer cassette deck. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.